resume, you don't have to put down every job you worked at. You can put it down the jobs that you got the most experience from. And honestly, if you got a good supervisor or someone you was working under, you can use them to give you a referral versus you putting down the information to that company and getting a referral. Now, me personally, what I do, I use my past experience and I use my company, Hog on Welding, as a job that I work for, because I work for myself. And I build my experience as far as what I'm doing, how I do it, the years I've been doing it. But you know what I don't do? I don't use another job as far as like different jobs since I've been in the Valley. I've been in the Phoenix for 2 years. Since I've been here 2 years, knocking on 3 years, I have never used another job as a reference. Like, I always use my personal work experience and my certs and me going in and talking to the people myself. Normally, I win them over that way, and then once you see my work ethic, it speaks for itself. But I don't say, oh yeah, I was working for this company and then I quit. I say, hey, I did a contract for them and it only lasted a few weeks. That's what you got to do, man. Oh, I did a contract for them and it lasted 2 months. I did so and so, and I had experience in this field for this. But honestly, jobs lie to us all the time, man. Oh man, I had a company tell me, oh, you should become a member of us, man. I'm telling you, we take care of our people, and I'm like, nah, I think about it. So I'm just contracted to them, and I get out there. Everybody that worked for the company that I met was like 4 to 6 guys. All of them was saying how the company was beating them and they wasn't getting paid, and they always trying to jack them out of their time and trying to make them pay for stuff out of their own pocket. I'm like, huh? Damn, I thought y'all was just a team player. Man, most companies, majority of companies, don't care about their employees, but they know that they need their employees to make money. So they'll take care of some, and others, they really don't too much care about. So you can be in the top 10%, or you can be in the majority. You know what I'm saying? But honestly, man, I don't use past jobs as referral. I just use the stuff that I did on the job. If I installed stairs, if I did audits, if I did multi-story buildings, whatever the situation was. I was welding stainless pipe, carbon pipe, whatever the situation was. I used that experience that I did on the job, and I show my portfolio, some photos I did. I showed some, different hard RFIs I had to fix, But as far as like using those other companies that you probably had to quit or they was on some BS, and nah, honestly, the way I feel, I'm not gonna let someone else call someone else to give them a opinion about my work ethics. Now, I know my work ethic's good, but they might have had a bad situation, and yeah, I had an attitude like, nah, I'm not fucking with y'all, and I left. So the way I look at it, I mean, I'm not gonna allow someone else to prejudge me just because of an experience they had, because I'm not a team player. Once I realize someone else ain't, I'm taking care of me. So I would rather use my work ethics and people on the job that I actually worked with that was cool, that actually seen my work ethics. You can put them down, and majority of the time they'd be like, yeah, man, I watched him work, this and this, man, he's good at what he do. But as far as using those past companies that you didn't like, that fired you, or you had to quit because whatever, and then, some artists, independent welders will say, man, but I need to use them as a referral to get this other job. No, you don't. No, you don't. You know what I mean? Stop telling your left hand what your right hand doing, and you'll be all right. Hold on.